If you're switching over to flux core wire, we talked about this before, switching your polarity. The negative needs to be on the positive and the positive needs to be on the negative for flux core wire. So what you want to do is unplug your unit first so you don't zap yourself out and electrocute yourself. And then the second part is pretty simple. Just grab whatever tools that you have. These are pretty simple little knobs. Just bust these two loose. Just unscrew them. Like I said, really, really simple. The ground is going to be on the positive flux core wire. Just remember that. Inner shield flux core wire. You take your ground, which would normally be on negative, and you switch this over. Just take these out and swap them. The welder will not run right if you don't swap these. It will not burn that wire the way that it's supposed to. So just remember that if you do not switch these, you really are not going to get your welder working right at all. So just get those on. Struggling a little bit with this one, but we'll get it. And it's pretty simple, but often overlooked. I've actually forgot to do it myself before and tried to weld and could not figure out what was going on. And we switched it around and it worked fine. So there you go. Let's tighten these lugs down. And basically get the contacts good. Nice and tight so we don't have any arcing. And just double check that your ground is reversed and hooked to positive, which it is. And your electrode is now negative. Now you can weld flux core wire, which is the 035 inner shield NR 211 MP, and use it in a Lincoln, Mig 140, or any other flux core wire welder you have, like these small little 120 welders. All right, anyway, that's the tip. Hopefully you enjoyed the video on how to switch your wire around and how to get everything hooked up right for the proper polarity. See you on the next video.